everybody! For those of you who don't know me, let me introduce myself if we're not friends already. I'm actually a fashion designer, and I own my own women's wear brand, Lawren Michele. I've shown during New York Fashion Week, I've shown during LA Fashion Week, I've done tons of photo shoots, trade shows, won lots of design awards. So I do actually have quite a bit of relevant experience. Also, I usually sew all my own samples before they go into production. Sometimes I'll contract that out if I'm swamped and really need some help. I usually do the whole first set of patterns I make. And I actually have a small metal shop where I do jewelry and accessories myself, which is super fun. And I actually decided to start vlogging simply because I get asked a lot of questions all the time about what is my process, how do you stay inspired, how do you plan out a runway show, how do you plan out a photo shoot, how do you get ready for a collection, what goes into production. I mean, there's a ton of things that people want answered all the time. So my plan is to kind of take you guys along for the ride and just kind of show you the nitty-gritty of what goes into owning your own fashion business and just sharing some of the behind the scenes with you guys. I think that'll be helpful for a lot of people. So if you want to see what I have coming up, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You can hit subscribe down below, and next to the subscribe box is a little bell that you can click if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. And feel free to either send me a message or down in the comments below, go ahead and ask if there's anything that you want me to cover in a future video and you think maybe I might be able to help you with. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.